Hello friends, I am Dr. Shamsher Singh. You are all welcome at RPIIT YouTube channel. Today our topic is partnership deed. A partnership is based on agreement. The agreement can be oral or written, but an oral agreement can be subject to misinterpretation and result in disagreement among the partners. The written agreement is called a partnership deed. There are different contents of partnership deed, that is name and address of the firm, name and address of the partners, capital, interest on capital, drawing, interest on drawing, salary, audit, admission, retirement, death, dissolution. By the consent of all the partners, a new partner were to be admitted into the partnership deed. Partnership. What are the different name and address of the firm that must be written in the partnership deed? What are the name and address of the partners that must be written in the partnership deed? How much capital introduced by each and every partner in the business that must be written in the partnership deed? What rate of interest on capital were to be provided to each partner that must be written in the partnership deed? How much amount for personal purpose were to be withdrawn by partners from the partnership that must be written in the partnership deed, and rate of interest on drawing must be written in the partnership deed. How much salary were to be provided to the partners that must be written in the partnership deed. All these content must be written in the partnership deed. What are the different rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed? First rule is profit sharing ratio. Profit or loss were to be distributed between the partners equally in the absence of partnership deed. No salary were to be provided to any partner. No interest on capital, no interest on drawing. Loan, interest on loan at the rate of 6% per annum were to be provided to the partners. A new partner were to be admitted into the partnership by the consent of all the partners. Another forms of business organization is cooperative societies. It refers to that voluntary association of persons who join together with the motive of welfare of the members.